Hey everyone, welcome back to Technical Professor. So in this lecture, they are going to understand about what is computer vision. So let's start it. So computer vision is like that you are detecting objects, detecting images. For it means that how computer can see. That is the computer vision. And for example, human also have eyes, and I have also spectacle also, and I can see. That is my vision, human vision. And computer vision means how computer can see. That is the computer vision. Basically, like object detection, self-driving cars, and these are all examples of computer vision. So let's see the definition. What is the definition of computer vision? That is the field of AI that enable computers to understand and interpret images like human do. So it analyzes data, detecting objects. Okay. Nowadays, for example, you have a image. How you can see like directly image, but how computer can see? That is the computer vision. And what are the application of that computer vision? So, first face recognition and self-driving cars and medical imaging and augmented reality. These are the applications of computer vision. So, in simple words, I can say computer vision, the vision, how computer can see. Okay, so thank you so much for watching this video. So bye bye, take care, and follow and subscribe my YouTube channel so that you don't get missed updates from my side. Thank you so much for watching this video.